is my Rise therapy session for the core word where. First of all, step one, we're going to do a little bit of peekaboo. We're going to get their favourite toy. Where are you? Where are you? There you are. Their toy, or you can do it with a larger blanket with yourself and them as well. Where are you? There you are. Here you are. All of those lovely words. All of those lovely core words that we have learned before. This is really lovely interaction. It's really lovely sing-songy language that they might be able to replicate or understand. It's errorless, it's playful, and it's really enjoyable, and it's great for co-regulation, building up those connections, which is what step one is all about. And it's fine that the session just stays here. This is a really lovely lesson, but maybe they just want something more social in a group-like setting. So whilst they're happy, I'm going to step away and set up step two, the invitation. Let's go and have a look at what that might look like. Step two, the invitation. My learners are all happily playing peekaboo with their animals and practicing the core word, where are you? And I've stepped away to set up step two, the invitation, to try and entice them over, to extend that learning into a group-like scenario. I've got some oats here. It could also be cereals or rice or lentils, depending on whatever is safe for your class. And I'm going to sprinkle it from a height, because this builds more interest and intrigue, and my learners might come running over and see what I'm doing. And already some of my learners have come running over to see and explore the oats. And that means step three has already begun, the shared experience. Let's go and have a look at what that might look like. I'm going to add some safe knives and some peelers, maybe even a grater, and some vegetable brushes. Our all-important food core board. It's time to wake up our puppets. Hello, Mr. Crow. Oh. Mr. Crow is hungry. Oh, he wants a carrot. Now the learners might listen to this and find the carrot, but also maybe my supporting adults do, and they're going to model to the learners and feed it to Mr. Crow. And Mr. Crow might give them a little bit of a tickle and a nibble as well, which is great fun. Then all of a sudden my learners are interested. They get the game and they understand it, and then they might start grabbing food and wanting to feed it to Mr. Crow. And it doesn't matter they're not playing the game of whatever I'm asking for. We're going to validate it. They're interacting. They're noticing the world around them. They're playing together in a lovely shared experience way. We're not going to add barriers to that. We're not going to add rules to that. We're just going to accept and validate all of their lovely play attempts. So it might be feeding Mr. Crow, but it also might be just exploring the fruit, eating the fruit, rolling the fruit, throwing the fruit, sprinkling the oats, using the grater, or making marks in the tray. However they want to play with this is fantastic, and we're going to mimic that back at them to validate and celebrate all of those beautiful play ideas that they've got. And Mr. Crow is just an extra if they want to play the game. So we can have a lovely session here exploring all of the different food types. Maybe the interest of my learners is starting to wane, which means it's time for step four, ending. How do we transition out of this loved activity and move on? Well, this is what it might look like. So how we're going to finish this one is I'm going to play some instrumental music. I've chosen Food Glorious Food, so it's kind of linked. And Mr. Crow is going to request certain foods to feed him. And when he feeds them, they go back in the bag, the finishing bag. So eventually everything will be tidied up. This is what it might look like. Carrot! I want carrot! Potato! Potato! Good finding! And we carry on until everything is tidied away. If you think your learners would love to learn language and literacy in this way, then this is the Rise session, and our Rise session training is available. And also I included a Rise session as part of every week in the Core Word programme, which includes writing and reading and all of literacy for a core word a week. Comment below and I'll send you a direct link to everything.